Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you some earrings that I picked up. I cannot wait for spring, but in the meantime I will just pretend as if it's now spring. So I picked up some really fun and cool earrings from Boohoo and also Amazon. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you so you can get inspired and you can start doing your shopping. They're quite affordable, so guys, make sure that you go check them out before they sell out. Okay, so the first pair I've got are these heart-shaped ones. They've got little pink, like little diamond details in them. They're super cute. I wore them already once and I got so many compliments. They are not very heavy, but you can tell that you're wearing earrings, if you know what I mean. Like, they are not the very lightest, but they are not heavy, if you kind of get what I'm saying. So these are beautiful. They're gold with the pink details, guys. So cute. Perfect for date night. Next are these gold chain detail, chain linked ones, also from Boohoo. They are not heavy at all. Then we have these heart-shaped ones. You know, this kind of style has been trendy for quite a while. So I decided to pick, because I've got the rectangular shaped ones, so I decided to get the heart-shaped ones. And they look like this on, again, gold. As you can tell, I love gold earrings, actually. So I've got quite a few of them. So this is what they look like. And on to the silver ones. This one is from Boohoo as well. These are heart-shaped long drop ones. So pretty. Perfect for special occasions, parties, clubs, anniversary, you know it, you name it. So this is what they look like. They're not heavy at all. They are actually like diamante ones. Very, very, you know, dressed up sort of vibe I'm getting from these ones, guys. Then another one from Boohoo. These are also heart-shaped ones. Similar to the pink, the gold ones I showed you earlier. Honestly, if you're in the UK, even if you're in the States, because I'm sure they have Boohoo US, you can check them out for some really nice earrings. And I always tend to buy mine on sale because you get some really, really good deals. So I bought these on sale and they were of a very good price, guys. So make sure that you go ahead and check out Boohoo USA or Boohoo UK. So these, ready to party. Not the lightest of earrings, but they're fine. Okay, so those are the ones that I got from Boohoo. Very cute, very nice. You can, you know, dress them however you like, style them however you like. These are something that I'd wear to like parties and stuff. So yeah, so now I've got these three from Amazon. My goodness me, I fell in love immediately with these. And let me go ahead and show you. This one it's like wings. I just love how colorful these are. They stand out. They are statement earrings. So goes really nicely with this pink dress I'm wearing. So this is, these are like wings, and they've got like greens, reds, pinks, blues, you know, gold. So pretty. So pretty, so perfect with this dress I'm wearing. So ready for spring, summer. Are you? I'm sure you are. These are too cute. Another pair from Amazon. These are similar to the heart-shaped ones I showed you from Boohoo. Very trendy style of earrings. And I love these again because they are multicolored, so you can wear them with any sort of outfit, any sort of, you know, monochromatic look. Oh, I can't get the back on. I don't know what's going on, but let's try these. Back isn't really going on. So let's try that. So these are them. Very stunning. I love multicolored earrings. And again, they go very nicely with this dress and my lipstick, of course. And another pair we have here, guys, are these ones. They are absolutely stunning. As you notice, these ones I got from Amazon, they sort of have the same color, you know, same color scheme going on. Yep. Very pretty. I got compliments on these as well, as I wore them last week, and I got so many compliments. They're super pretty. Last but not least, these are my absolute favorite, you guys. I love these so much. I cannot wait to wear them. I'll be rocking these as soon as it hits spring, summer. I'll be rocking these because, you know, the colors are going to come through. So these are what they look like. I love them. I love the pink and the blue and the green. Oh, let me put them on quickly. So cute. Love. So these are what they look like, my friend. Aren't they pretty? Oh my goodness. I am dying. Oh my goodness. They are so pretty. And we gonna party. It's the yellow details around that, then the green detail, and then the blue detail. It's just so stunning. I am living right now. Okay. Get into them, girl. So that's the end of my earring haul. I do hope you enjoyed it. This was so much fun. I am an absolute earring girl. Like, I've got so many pairs, it's ridiculous. But as soon as I see something that's cute, I'ma get it, trust. So anyways, I do hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what your favorite pair was or what your favorite pairs were. I absolutely love these ones, and the ones from Amazon, just the colorful ones, I love them as well, because I can just see me wearing like a monochromatic look with, you know, with those earrings, and then popping because they're so statement. I can just imagine, you know, spring, summer, when you're out there in your beautiful floral or whatever bright color you're wearing, and these earrings, oh my goodness, you are going to be the talk of the town. So anyways, let me know which one you liked. Of course, go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to check out my latest video. It will be linked up here, and turn your notifications, of course, so you don't miss any other video from Shaunz World. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Love you guys. Bye.